Namaste, how are you all doing? Welcome back to our channel, and I am back to share one of the most interesting and delicious recipe with all of you, that is gongura prawns. Gongura is basically a leafy vegetable which is also known as kenaf, sour leaf or sour spinach. The taste of this leaf is basically sour and it just tastes amazing when you prepare chutney out of it, or also you use in any of the non-veg recipe. In one of my previous video, I have shared how to prepare gongura chicken. The link is flashing on the top. If you're interested, do check that and also try the recipe at your home and let me know how did it turn out. Today, I'm gonna share gongura prawns. So let's see how do we prepare this. Also, before we start, let me remind you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe now and click on the bell icon for all video updates. And also, if you like this recipe, do not hesitate to share and give a big thumbs up at the end. Alright, so let's begin. As a rule, it is good to marinate any non-veg item, be it fish or meat, with salt and turmeric powder at least 15 minutes prior to start cooking. For gongura prawns curry, very first step is to shallow fry the marinated prawns. Take 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Make sure the pan is very hot before you start dropping prawns into it. We do not need to overcook these prawns. Remember not to fry more than 2 minutes each side. Once the prawns are fried, remove from the pan. Now we'll start working on preparing masala for the curry. So in the same pan, take 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot enough, go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, dry spices like cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and bay leaves. Once the cumin seeds start spluttering, add up onions that is finely chopped. Give a quick stir and if needed, add half a teaspoon of salt for onions to cook faster. Onions have turned translucent. Go ahead and add 1 cup of finely chopped kenaf leaves, that is gongura leaves. Mix it well, cover the lid and cook in medium flame for about 5 minutes. A while later, it's time to add other spices. 2 teaspoons of curry masala powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Give a nice mix and cook until raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone. If needed, add few tablespoons of water to make sure the spices do not stick to the bottom of the pan. It may tend to burn. Alright, until now added spices and ingredients are well cooked. It's time to add tomatoes and little more extra spice to the curry. You may choose to avoid tomatoes, but having chilies is must. Also curry leaf. This enhances the taste of recipe to the next level. Now mix all the ingredients, cover the lid, set it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes in medium flame. Tomatoes are cooked now. Go ahead and add those fried prawns, salt as per your taste and cook it for 5 minutes with lid covered in medium flame. We are almost done. Finally, 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi leaves, handful of coriander leaves, quarter cup of warm water, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give a quick stir and cook for another 2 minutes. And here it is, very delicious and mouth-watering gongura prawns curry is ready. I love to have this with rice. What is your choice? Do let me know. Also, please do try this recipe at your home and leave your comments below. Do not hesitate to like and share this video too. Thank you. I'll be back with one more interesting recipe. Until then, be safe, stay healthy and bye-bye.